Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends, my dear students. How are you all? How was your weekend? We hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself and you are enjoying your online learning as well. I'm Samia Kawal. I'm working in Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our lecture number 12 of C1. So everyone get ready for today's lecture. Here is dua for learning. As you know how we start our day in the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone sit straight and raise your hand for dua and read with me. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. Here is another dua you know very well. We are reading this dua. That is dua for traveling. Wherever you go, don't forget to read it. Oh yes, those who have learned this dua, there is a big clap for yourself. So clap for yourself, those who have learned, and those who are still learning it. Let's revise with me. Everyone sit straight. Eyes should be on your screen now. Fold your arms and listen me very carefully and read with me. Dua for traveling and journey. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu mukrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Once again, read with me. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu mukrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Don't forget to revise it on daily basis. As you know, we are learning about question answers as well. Question number 1 we have done in the last week. That was about 12 Islamic months name. You have to memorize them. Here is question number 2. Which is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Now you have to learn about what is the first month of the Islamic calendar. What is the answer? Muharram. What is the answer? Muharram. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic year. Oh yes, you know new year is started. Islamic year is started now. Before some days. So you know very well we are Muslims. So everyone happy Islamic New Year to everyone. Let's have a look on Islamic calendar and let's find out Muharram is the first month of the Islamic year or not. So look at your screen now. Yes, here is the Islamic calendar, 12 Islamic months. You can see on your screen now. The first one is Muharram, then Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zikr and Zilhaj. There are 12 months in a Islamic year, and those who have learned about the 12 Islamic years name, there is a good job for them. Keep it up guys, keep learning. So you can see Muharram is the first month of the Islamic year. Come on, next. What you need for today's lecture? Number 1 is C1, your maths workbook, 1 pencil and eraser, and some colors. So let's start our day. Make sure you have all these things on your table now. Everyone open page number 30, 30. What are the objectives? Relate crossing out to subtraction. Number 1 objective is relate crossing out to subtraction, and then relate counting backwards using fingers to subtraction. Yes, we will count backwards using fingers to subtraction. So let's start it. Open this one page, you can see on your screen now. I'm talking about this page, page number 30, 30. Hurry up, open this page, I'm waiting for you guys. Before doing this page, what you have to do? You will write the today's date. And what is the date? What is the date today? Look at your screen. 26.8.2020 space age.t, again space, and what is the day today? Wednesday. What is the day today? Wednesday. W should be capital in Wednesday. You will write in the same format. Please don't forget to write in a proper form. And where you will write? You can see my arrow is telling you top of the page. You will write here. Start from this corner, 26.8.2020 2020 space age.t should be in the middle of the page, then again space, and write Wednesday in the right corner. Then come forward, come down. Here is a number line. Some numbers are written and 2 numbers are missing here. You need to find out which numbers are missing. So you need to count from 11. Which number is written here? 11. Read with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then which number is missing here? What comes after 16? Yes, 17. Right here 17. 1, 7, 17. What comes after 17? 18. Right here 18. And you know how to write 18? Yes. Clap for yourself if you know how to write 18. 1, 8, 18. Then 19 and 20. 20, 20. You need to complete this number line. Then come down what they are saying. Here are picture of bananas and monkey and tree. You can see on your book what they are saying. There is written there are 5 bananas. How many bananas? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas are here. They are saying the monkey eats 2 bananas. How many bananas monkey eats? 2. Now what you have to do? Come down. They are saying cross out 2 bananas. Now you need to cross 2 bananas. Why you will cross just 2 bananas? Yes, because monkey ate 2 bananas. Now they are saying count and filling the boxes. Now they are asking to you how many bananas are left. Have a look once again. There are 5 bananas. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5 in the first box. 5. Write number 5 in a first box because there are 5 bananas in a picture. Now here is a sign of what? What you have to do? Plus or minus? Yes, minus. Here is a sign of subtraction. You have to cross out the bananas. Then here is a box. What you have to write here? You wrote here 5 because you had 5 bananas. Then monkey eats 2 bananas. How many bananas you crossed? 1 and 2. So you will write here 2. 5 minus 2. Which sign is this? Is equal to. Which sign is this? Is equal to. So 5 minus 2. How many left? If you crossed 2 bananas, then how many left? 1, 2, 3. Your answer is 3. 3 bananas are left. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We are doing subtraction because we are crossing out the bananas. Come on the next page. Just turn your book. Now turn your book and you will get the page number 31. 31, 31. Everyone turn your book. Now what you have to do? On this page, same you will write the same date. Top of the page. What did you write on the previous page? 26.8.2020 space h.t again space and Wednesday. Where you will write top of the page. My arrow is telling you. Here you will write the date. Start from this corner. Then write in the same form. In the same with same formation. Then come down. You need to complete the number line. Again read with me. 1, 1, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 numbers are missing here. What comes after 18? 19. And the last one is 20. 20, 20. You need to complete the number line and write the date on top of the page. Then come down what they are saying. Sidra's oranges. Now she is Sidra and she is Anam. What they are saying? Sidra has 7 oranges. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 oranges. Who have? Sidra. What they are saying next? She gives Anam 3 oranges. How many oranges she is giving to Anam? She is Anam and she is taking 3 oranges from Sidra. Now they are saying cross out 3 oranges. There are 7 oranges. You need to cross out 3 oranges. 1, 2, 3. Cross 3 orange. Now they are saying count and filling the boxes. How many oranges Sidra has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you need to write here number 7 in the first box. Again, which sign is this? Sign of minus, subtraction. We are doing subtraction. So we always use this sign in subtraction. Don't forget it. You wrote here number 7 in the first box. How many oranges did you cross? 1, 2, 3. So you will write here number 3 in a second box. 7 minus 3. How many left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer is 4. You will write here number 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 4 oranges are left. Now they are asking again, Sidra has dash oranges left. What was your answer? Number 4. So you will write here number 4 again. Sidra has 4 oranges left. I think so it's very easy. Come on the next page. Page number 32. Which one page? 3 to 32. Open this page. Just turn your page. Again you will write the same date on top of the page. Arrows indicating where you will write date. Start from this corner. Date, then space, h.t, again space and Wednesday. Then look at the number line. Can you see any number here? No. You will write by yourself now. Here is a little test for you guys. Let's see who can complete this number line. You will start from number 11. 1, 1, 11. 11 till 20 you will write. Forward counting. I'm not going to tell you. You will write it by yourself and you will share pictures of this page with us. Let's see who can write. Come down. They are saying Amir's basket. Number 1, they are saying color all the mangoes. Yes, these are mangoes. Mango is a fruit or vegetable? Yes, fruit. Very good. Mango is a fruit, orange is a fruit, and banana is also fruit. And we are revising subtraction, you know very well. So they are saying color all the mangoes. Now you will color all the mangoes. There are 6 mangoes in the basket. How many mangoes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 mangoes in a basket. Amir takes out 1 mango. How many mangoes he is taking out? Just 1. You can see it is out of the basket. How many mangoes are left? First you have to color all the mangoes. Then you will count how many mangoes are there. Then Amir take out 1 mango. Then you will count the leftover. How many left in the basket? Then complete this line. They are saying filling the boxes. Count back 1 from 6 to get the answer. It's very easy. So everyone show me your 6 fingers. Open your 6 fingers, everyone. Hurry up. Why I'm saying just 6 fingers? Yes, because there are just 6 mangoes in a basket. So you will write number 6 in a first box. Then look at the sign. Which sign is this? Again, sign of minus, sign of subtraction. 6 minus dash is equal to dash. Now you will find your answer while using your fingers. Did you open your 6 fingers? Yes? Okay. Now I am saying close 1 finger. Done. Then show me how many fingers are left. Count it. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 5 fingers are left. You opened 6 fingers. Then I said close 1 finger. Then you counted the leftover fingers. 6 minus 1, you will write number 1 in a second box, is equal to, let's count the mangoes, those in the basket. Let's see, fingers and mangoes are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, number is same. Your answer is 5. You will write in the third box, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Look at the last line. There are dash mangoes left in the basket. 5 mangoes. If you want to write the spellings of 5 or you want to write the number in figure, it's up to you. Write number 5 in the blank. There are 5 mangoes left in the basket. So this is the concept of subtraction, and we use the sign of minus in subtraction. We always cross out the objects in subtraction, and in addition we always add them together. Don't forget it. This is all about today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. See you in the next week, inshallah, with new concepts, new games. Keep smiling always, and remember us in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.